In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your Notcoin to your wallet, either Telegram wallet, Tonkeeper wallet, or to exchanges such as Binance, Okx, Bybit. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, this is Friday G's. On this channel, I'm going to be about cryptocurrency and I can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please do it to subscribe, do it to like, do it to turn that bell icon. To my Telegram channels and drop updates on airdrop that you not miss them. So if you have done that, so let's begin. So all we need to do is to come to the Notcoin board. It's going to check the result. It's going to load up and pick up this page for you. Then you just tap on the claim button. Get that is your allocated coin. Tap on the claim. What this is going to pick up this page for you. So you just have to go through with me, not like it used to be how to trade an any more Notcoin. Then tap on the next. Then trade on exchanges such as Bybit, Okx, Binance, not to go to wallet Telegram, to Telegram wallet, then get more Notcoin by sticky and all of those stuff. So once I've done all of that, just hit on the next, and so let's hit on the next button. Let's hit on the next button. So it's going to load up and pick up this page for us. So on this page, it is now asking us to connect our wallet. Either you can connect to wallet like Tonkeeper, or we can make use of the wallet in Telegram. Telegram now has a wallet that you can connect to, so anyone that fits you. And if you are connected to any wallet you are connected to, do ensure you have some amount of tone. If you are connected to Tonkeeper wallet, ensure you have some amount of tone in case the day that it's going to be listed, May 16th, that is when it's going to be listed. In case the day is going to be listed and you're going to have some transaction, some gas fees you get. So I'll make a video about how to buy Toncoin from OKS and how to transfer it to your Tonkeeper wallet. I will leave the link to the video in the description box. So right now, I'm just on the connect wallet. And just as I said, you can connect your wallet in, you can connect your Telegram wallet, get, you can connect your wallet in Telegram app, or you can connect to Keeper app, you get. So just tap on anyone you want to do, just tap on it. But right now, I want to make use of Keeper. Let me connect that one. Just tap on the Keeper. It's going to load up and bring up the Keeper page for you. So yes, we have to wait for it to load. So if you go up this page, you have to hit on the connect wallet. For the connect wallet, so let's continue. Okay, after successfully connecting our wallet, and you'll be seeing a wallet address on this place. Yes, you see a wallet address on this place. The next step was to hit on this particular button right here. So when we check on that, you can see right here, you can now withdraw, you can deposit to exchanges. Exchanges are like your Binance, your OKX, or your Bybit, and 1.5% withdrawal free from what? This 1.5% withdrawal is that for your Notcoin balance that you have, you're going to take 1.5% as withdrawal fee. You also deposit into your Telegram wallet and you will also be collecting 1.5% withdrawal fee, or you can lend more on stake. Withdrawing to non-custodial wallet like your Tonkeeper wallet or my Tone wallet is not available right now. So the two ways you can withdraw right now is either your exchange is OKX Bybit or your wallet in Telegram. Understand? So the advantage is that if you withdraw to your wallet such as OKX, Binance, Bybit, you get it will be so easy for you to swap. Understand? Easy for you to swap. You get once it has been listed. So all this in to do this to withdraw to exchange. Let me first explain this. To withdraw to wallet and Telegram, you tap on this and hit on continue. It will take you to open your Telegram wallet and account. And so you just have to set up your Telegram wallet and it's go. You want to withdraw to exchange, you just tap on here, hit on continue. It's going to tell you to select the exchanges you want to make use of. These steps are quite easy. There is OKS for example. Just tap on OKS and hit on send. It's going to tell you to create an account. Just tap on just have an account. It's going to take you to, then you have to take to deposit copy your OKS wallet address and the memo. So all you do is for to open your KS app. So let's go. Okay, so right now this is our OKS. I'm going to do it on this place. Say deposit crypto. So it's going to click on this page and right here, hit on the search and just type on not. So this is Notcoin, right? Type on the Notcoin. It's going to load up. So the network is not torn. So let me basically tap on it. So just wait to load up. As you can see right here, this is our address, and in this comment right here is our memo. You get, I'm going to do it on the copy, right? Then in back on this place, I said deposit address. Paste the address on this place. Get, so on this other place, I say memo. Just was to come back, copy this code right here. This place, I say comment. That is the memo. Copy it. Then end back on this page, paste it. Once I've done that, then hit on keep going. So when you hit on keep going, automatically you successfully withdraw your Notcoin to your OKS. You're going to see it. You get, for me, I don't want to withdraw my OKS, I don't withdraw my Notcoin to my OKS, so I don't want to continue. But guys, this is three steps on how you can withdraw your Notcoin to your OKS. For Bybit and for Binance, the steps are similar. You understand? If you want to withdraw to Telegram, I've shown you. Then staking. If you want to stake, staking give you more opportunity to earn more. Hit on the continue right now. You can see right there, special offer to get silver level. This is the amount of Notcoin tokens. If I stake this, I will stake until next month, which is the 11th of 6 2024. I'm going to stay for 30 days and be getting some offers, you understand? So if you do this is another way of you doubling your Notcoin. Well guys, this is a method of how you can actually withdraw your Notcoin you get to your exchanges. Withdrawing to Tonkeeper wallet is now available now. On the listing day, there will be gas fee. You're going to use gas fee. But right now, you'll be using 1.5 percentage of the amount of Notcoin you have for as withdrawal fee you get. So if this is okay with you, you should go on and proceed. But guys, this is it for this video. Go to subscribe and turn the bell icon so that you always get up to date and the Telegram channels that will post updates about different airdrops. So this is it for it. Bye.